Network as much as you can. When I first started programming, I was focused on skills. Master this language, learn this framework, master this algorithm. But as time went on, I realized something. While skills can open doors, it's the connections that light up the path. Think of the tech industry like a graph. Every node represents a person, and every connection a relationship. These relationships aren't just about job referrals or project collaborations, they're also a collection of shared knowledge, experience, and insights. A casual coffee chat with a senior developer could offer you a solution to a coding problem that's been bugging you for weeks. A conversation at a tech conference might introduce you to a job opportunity you didn't know about, or a mentor can help steer your career in a direction you didn't think about. But I want you to keep this in mind. Building these connections doesn't mean cold messaging professionals on LinkedIn or handing out business cards like candy. It's about genuine relationships. Don't be weird. It's pretty simple. Just be a normal human being and just talk to them like a friend. Join some hackathons, build some fun projects, make some friends. Engage, listen, share, and most importantly, be genuine in your interactions. Don't be a robot. Don't be fake. Don't act like this is something business. Just be friendly. So for those of you still in college or early in their careers and you're wondering if networking really is that important, here's my perspective. While technical skills are a good asset, combine that with a strong network and you'll turn into an unstoppable force that can get hired anywhere. You have to remember, opportunities don't just come from what you know, but also from who you know.